When you hear the term search engine, or even search engine optimization, your first instinct is to probably think of the almighty Google. And in doing so, you'd be both right and wrong. Google is definitely the powerhouse, and there are many who use the term SEO and optimizing for Google interchangeably. However, we must be careful not to forget about the other two big players, Bing and Yahoo. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the big three. Yahoo was the first major search engine, though in its original form, we must use the term search engine loosely. Initially, it was called Mosaic, and Mosaic started and gained popularity as a search directory, a sort of yellow pages for websites. Google is the biggest and smartest cookie in the search jar, and it's also the industry pivot for what search engines are and how they function today. The third of the big three, Bing, is widely known as the new kid on the block. However, this isn't necessarily the truth. In fact, Bing is Microsoft's revamping of MSN Live Search, a search engine started in the late 90s. Better yet, Bing is partially powered by Yahoo technology and thus functions very similarly to Yahoo, at least when it comes to the back end. And this doesn't include any of the regional search engines that target a particular country or continent. Baidu, for example, is a large search engine in China. At the time of this recording, Google holds approximately 70% of the search engine space. Bing holds a little less than 20%, and Yahoo holds nearly 10%. Thus, when optimizing our websites for search, Google is our primary focus, but we can't forget about the 30% of searches being conducted through Bing and Yahoo. In the next video, we're going to discuss how search engines function.